Coming in, the first reaction coming in from the BJP. The tussle continues over the temple tax issued by the Sukhu government, and the BJP has strongly condemned the move, likening it to, as we said, the jizya tax, which was historically imposed on Hindus during the Mughal rule, most notoriously under Aurangzeb. Himachal Pradesh's leader of opposition has accused the Sukhu government of displaying an anti-Hindu mindset by taxing devotees visiting their Ishta Devta Shirgul Maharaj. He has argued that the pilgrimage is not a recreational trek, but a sacred journey deeply embedded in local culture. The BJP has condemned the tariff, drawing a parallel between the Congress Sarkar and that of Aurangzeb, the Mughal tyrant who not only taxed Hindus, and as the BJP adds that the Grand Old Party is targeting specifically Hindu practices.
देखिए, औरंगजेब ने जजिया टैक्स लगाया था। ये तो कांग्रेस पार्टी का इसी प्रकार का काम होता है। हिमाचल प्रदेश में भी जिस प्रकार हिंदू पिलग्रिमेज साइट जाने के लिए सुक्खू सरकार ने टैक्स लगाया है, ये एक तरह से जजिया का काम ही किया है। जो औरंगजेब ने किया था वही कांग्रेस पार्टी ने किया है। निंदनीय है और देखिएगा जल्दी इसे वापस भी लेना पड़ेगा।
हिमाचल प्रदेश की सुक्खू सरकार मुगलिया शासन पर आमादा है। एक बार फिर उसने जो है मंदिरों पर टैक्स लगाने का निर्णय लिया है। औरंगजेब तो सिर्फ भक्तों से टैक्स लेता था, लेकिन कांग्रेस के शासनकाल में जिन घोड़ों और खच्चरों पर सवार होकर भक्त जाएंगे, उन घोड़ों और खच्चरों पर भी टैक्स लादने का कुकर्म कांग्रेस की सुक्खू सरकार ने करने का निर्णय लिया है।
So you just heard the statement coming in from the leader of opposition of Himachal Pradesh from the BJP. Essentially, viewers, the tussle comes down to this. The state government insists that this is a recreational trek for which they have included a local tax to build revenue and help youth affairs. The BJP, and I bring in my colleague Sabyasachi to talk more on this. Sabyasachi, clearly the BJP is not impressed by this, and it has drawn comparisons with this fee hike which has been imposed by the Himachal government to the infamous jizya tax which was imposed by the Mughal rulers such as Aurangzeb, especially on Hindu pilgrims.
Well, that's right. See, the BJP has drawn comparison with the jizya tax which was imposed by Mughal Emperor and tyrant Aurangzeb on the Hindu devotees. Now, the BJP says that time and again, the Sukhu government has been taking disaster decisions as far as the economy of the state is concerned, and that is the reason the debt on the state of Himachal Pradesh is continuously increasing. If you remember that some of the absurd steps that had been taken in the past by the Sukhu government, whether it is imposing a tax on the magic shows that are going to take place in schools in the state, which was taken back amid uproar from the BJP and the locals. So there have been several decisions which has been taken by the Sukhu government, which has drawn sharp criticism from the BJP. And the BJP also reminded that how time and again the decisions taken by the Sukhu government has led to the uproar in the state of Himachal Pradesh, and this time also they have drawn the comparison of Sukhu government with that of Aurangzeb. Now the BJP also questioned that why is Mr. Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party silent on this matter, because when the Sukhu had formed his government in the state, they had promised 10 points, but clearly none of them have been delivered so far to the people over there.
Yes.